Transferring money from your Klarna account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transfer. Open the Klarna app. Download and open the Klarna app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Go to the balance section. Once logged in, navigate to the balance or wallet section of the app. This area shows your available funds and transaction history. Select the transfer option. Look for an option to transfer funds or withdraw money. This may be labeled as transfer to bank or similar. Add your bank account. If you haven't already linked a bank account, you will need to enter your bank details. This typically includes your bank account number and routing number. Enter the transfer amount. Specify the amount of money you wish to transfer from your Klarna account to your bank account. Ensure it's within the available balance. Confirm the transfer. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. Klarna may ask for additional verification for security. Check for completion. Transfers usually take a few business days to process. You can check the status of your transfer in the app.